Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add certifications on your LinkedIn profile. So for example, here I'm on my LinkedIn profile. I just want to go to this upper section here on my profile, and then I want to tap on or click on view profile. Now on the view profile here, you want to go to add profile section down here, and on add profile section, collapse the score and then go to recommended. On recommended, it'll be add featured, add licenses, project, courses, and recommendations. Of course, we want to add licenses and certifications. Just click on that. And then in here, you'll have to fill out the fields here for credential, for the name. So for example, I am certified at Cisco, right? So Cisco, and the issuing organizer is Oracle, and then Oracle, and then the issue date is at January, year 2014, and then the expiration date is still at 2019. And the credential ID, I'm just gonna give it blank, and then the URL, just gonna put it at random. You need to add a skill as well. So for example, for Cisco, it will be computer network, right? So like this, computer network. And then you can also add media as well, like the image and the picture of your certification. But all of these are filled out. You can click on save, and then your certification will be added to your LinkedIn profile. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.